Wow. Do anybody really see what is going on into the land of Canaan? Do anybody really see? People are getting killed like flies, and nobody is doing anything. Nobody is saying anything. And that's what I'm talking about. People are getting killed like flies, and nobody's saying anything. These people that call themselves Israeli occupied the land of Palestine, and everybody know that they're occupiers. What do you mean by occupiers? They're using something that does not belong to them. Very simple. The land is not their land, and the land is not their forefather land. Remember, the place they called Israel have been occupied by black people many times gone. And they chase out those black people, and they kill a lot of them. They chase them to Ethiopia. And these Europeans came in and occupied the land. And everybody's going along with it. I don't understand. Everybody's going along like nothing is wrong. When these white Europeans that call themselves Jewish is killing the non-Jewish people. You could imagine that? And if you don't think that is some bullshit, I don't know how to say it. And the Biden administration, they're playing possum like they don't know what's going on. You're make believe that they're doing something right. They want to cease fire to release a hostage. 150 people they're fighting over. You can imagine? 30,000 people get killed and they're fighting over just 150 people. You don't think that's some bullshit? And every time it goes to the Security Council, United States veto it. So they're playing games. And they're talking, hey, he's senile, and nothing wrong with that man. Everything he and his son did, they cover it all up. Whatever it is, they're covering it up. There's no wrong in their doing. So guess what? What you gonna do? Can't do nothing because they're the one that running the show. So by their running the show, everybody go along with it. But they're not trying to stop what's going on because they're sending more weapons. And they're trying to get more aid up into the land. So somebody playing games. And all the African countries sit back. All the African countries sit back and not doing a goddamn thing. So I call them sissies. They're a bunch of sissies not doing anything to help the people that is getting killed and stop this starvation. Egypt is right there, and Egypt is not doing anything. Jordan is right there. They're not doing it. They're just talking, talk. They're trying to make you believe they're doing something. So they're watching the killing. As I said long time ago, if Russia, China, Turkey, if they don't wake up and try to correct what's taking place, those European people is going to get their desire. They want all the land. And by they want all the land, they will kill the people. That's not no war. If you think it's a war, it's a damn fool. Taking the plane and blowing up all these people dwelling, that's not a war. And the people have no shelter. Kill all the livestock. Come on, black people. You gotta wake up. That's not right. What's taking place? But if you think it's right, you're on the side of the European. You know, a lot of people, some of them are on the side of the European, and some are on the side of the Chinese, and some is on the side of the Russian. There's nobody on the side of the black. As we say, black people. There's nobody on your side. Because they can't do nothing. They're helpless. The only black that is talking is Saudi Arabia, is South Africa. And they barely can help themselves. They have their own struggle too. So by they have their own struggle, it's going to be like that. You know what I mean? By they have their own struggle, that's what's going on. So people can't fight because they have nothing to fight with. And that's what's going on with my people. They're just talking. And by they just talking, nothing's going to be done until we wake up. So I'm talking to wake the people up. But they're not paying attention because everything is okay with them in their doing. They have enough food to eat, and they have enough clothes to wear, so they're not fighting the enemies. Black people are not going to fight the enemies. As I said, peace and respect. I'm out of here.